Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to add YouTube TV to your Roku device so you can stream live TV, movies, and your favorite shows directly on your TV. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Turn on your Roku device and make sure it's connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. A strong internet connection is essential for smooth streaming. Step 2. From the Roku home screen, navigate to Streaming Channels on the left-hand menu. This is where you can browse and add new apps. Step 3. Select Search Channels and type YouTube TV using the on-screen keyboard. Step 4. Select the official YouTube TV app from the search results to ensure you are downloading the correct app. Step 5. Click on Add Channel to install YouTube TV on your Roku device. The installation may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Step 6. Once the app is installed, return to your Roku home screen. You will see the YouTube TV icon in your list of channels. Step 7. Open the YouTube TV app by selecting it. You'll need to sign in with your Google account associated with YouTube TV. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up directly from the app by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, browse through YouTube TV's live channels and on-demand content, select your favorite shows or movies, and start streaming instantly. Use the search feature inside the app to find content quickly. Step 9. For easier access in the future, highlight the YouTube TV channel on your home screen, press the Options button on your Roku remote, and select Move Channel to place it at the top for quick access. That's it. YouTube TV is now installed on your Roku device, and you're ready to enjoy live TV and on-demand content anytime. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you.